as the pharaoh said. The Panther as a source of inspiration goes beyond the Maison's creations. She also takes a center stage in advertisement from the 1960s to the new millennium, gazing into the windows of Trespe, watching over the city or meeting the eye directly. In 2005, a geometric roar resounds through the collection with a new design that presents a fierce and stylized panther head, a statement of power adopted by men and women alike. A bag design unveiled in...
It's like a little museum, sorry.
Hello, welcome. This is Jean Toussaint's creative studio. You can see how these modern Panthère de Cartier creations sparkle. A Grain de Café necklace in the center of the room takes its inspiration from the coffee bean. Another.
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. Just do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now. Just do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now. All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies.
Now this special powder composition is created by the artisan according to the design and is then applied with a very fine brush to the creation. The next step involves heating it to a temperature between 700 and
pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss.
So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA. Lambo parked on a landing strip, every money
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Tastes like tuna fish. Chicken avocado? Tastes like what?
Which one is that one?
St. Virginia.
I love it.
Are you from here?
Born and raised in the county of Dade.
Period.
I love Connecticut pizza. Literally, like I
Really?
pizza, yeah. And then I went to Savannah, Georgia.
Okay,
I want to get a house in Savannah.
So my girl been around the world.
That's about close to my hometown.
Oh my god, that's some of the best fried chicken I've ever had. The sweetest old woman that owned that place.
Oh, you know, the women.
Enjoy that. A little bit sweet, a little bit bitter, a little tart. Really, really nice on the palate. It's perfect for like today's weather. It's nice, right?
This is good as shit.
I'm glad you like it.
I love how all those balance and then you got that tartness on the back end. I love that.
This is good. It's smooth.
Glad you like that. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do is promote it. Oh, this is Basil Miami bourbon.
Okay.
Really, really nice. I don't know if this is like anything you can drink, maybe like a whiskey or bourbon. Honestly, it's a little oaky, but this one's very, very smooth. Really, really good. So that French 75 is always with gin, but since they're collaborating with this brand today,
They wanted to make it really good. This is a good beer.
glad you like it. Glad you like it. Yeah,
it's really, really nice, and we've gotten a lot of really good feedback. I know today also you're here for Basel. So, Isabel Marant, and then down the street in the middle is called Michael's Genuine. It's a restaurant. We're here today after the meeting at Michael's Genuine restaurant. An amazing restaurant here in Miami Design District. I'll give you a couple tokens from 5 to 8. Thank you. It's gonna be a full basil vegan cocktail, being prepared by a bartender as well, and the chocolate ganache dessert. It's really, really good.
Walking distance in 2 minutes.
What else were they doing? It was a totally Christmas vibe. My boss sent me the photo. I went to pass by yesterday, but I was so tired after I left. But it's beautiful. Let me see if I have the photo for you so I can show you. Here you go, sweetie. Your totally cream.
Thank you. This is so cute.
I got you the student sentence. But yeah, it's like very holiday. There's like Christmas trees, both boxes of basil vegan. It's very holiday festive.
That's one of the big parts that I love about like going through the different places to see how each brand create the space
And the history.
Creativity, you know?
Yeah. And baby Balmain did what they needed to do. I ain't never gonna forget that H&M collab. I ain't never gonna forget.
Yes, bitch! What you say? Yes, bitch!
I ain't never gonna forget, okay? I was poor. I couldn't afford it. I didn't even know what a Balmain was.
I can't eat! I'm broke, nigga! I'm broke!
But I was in that H&M though. Herb. We out here at Basel and I made a new brand. Now tell us about your brand.
So I handmade my stuff. I
heard custom, you can't get them in the store.
I do unisex stuff, men, women, all sizes.
Shout out your brand. What's the name? We need a name where we can find you.
509 AM. And you can find me on Instagram, TikTok.
Period.
That's it. COMMA crazy.